Hello and welcome to this week's Vaticano Updates, the most important news from the Holy Father and the Vatican. Chinese Catholics live in unity with the Holy Father in Rome. Pope Francis emphasized this in a recent video message. He called on the Catholics in China to bear witness to their faith and to contribute to the harmony of social coexistence, to the building of the common home, as he said. The video was published during a conference to mark the 100th anniversary of the Concilium Sinense, the first and only council of the Chinese Catholic Church, which was held in Shanghai in 1924. The Vatican said it would take no further canonical procedure after an investigation into abuse allegations against Canadian Cardinal Gerald Lacroix. There is no evidence of misconduct or abuse. Lacroix is the Archbishop of Quebec and member of the Council of Cardinals that advises Pope Francis. He was accused as part of a class action lawsuit against his archdiocese regarding an abuse case almost 4 decades ago. The Cardinal has always denied the accusation. The month of May marked the 80th anniversary of the bombing of the Benedictine Abbey of Montecassino in Italy. During the Second World War, the abbey was completely destroyed on May 18, 1944, and rebuilt after the war. Thanks to the help of the Vatican, the majority of the literary and artistic treasures were brought to Rome and saved from destruction. Montecassino Abbey was founded in 529 by Saint Benedict of Nursa, who was also buried there. After returning from the Catholic parish in northern Gaza, Cardinal Pizzaballa described the situation in the Holy Land as complicated. He underlined that it is important and urgent to give immediate and concrete answers in order to assure the Catholics living in Gaza that there is a future for them. The Vatican announced that Pope Francis will visit Luxembourg and Belgium at the end of September. The Pope will make a one-day stopover in Luxembourg before visiting 3 cities in Belgium to mark the 600th anniversary of the Catholic universities of Leuven and Louvain-la-Neuve from September the 26th to 29th. Pope Francis is expected to preside over a Sunday Mass in Brussels before heading back to Rome. Thank you for watching this week's Vaticano Updates. Andreas Turnhauser for EWTN, Vaticano.
In a few moments, we'll be back with a tour of the Vatican Gardens, dedicated to Our Lady's Month.